Hello, my friends. Today I would like to show you a little unboxing about an item that I've just received. I know this is a little of a topic, slightly different from all of my other videos, but I just like to give it a try. And I just received this interesting book that I'm recently from an author that I've been recently reading, and this is called Brothers Karamazov, and this is one is by Dostoevsky. This very recommend. It's a book that has been recommended to me, and I have been reading a lot of this author. Here we have a little summary of the contents of this book, and we have here an introduction to the author and to this novel. Let's open it, and yes, it has a lot of plastic, but let's see. We can see the contents of this novel. So we can take a look at this at the contents. And yes, I have been reading some other novels, less massive than this one. This is a very long novel. We have the contents here, and I would like to show you the table of contents here. We have a very complete introduction with a more or less deep study of the author and the context of this novel, and of course we have the rest of the stuff here. So I will read this, and I will show you. I will give you a review of that later.